はい、あげます。はい、あげます。
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my! If any of them bite you, do you think you would die? Their ferocious fangs make them seem like they have the scariest bites in the animal kingdom, but in reality, there's a lot worse out there. And today we're counting them down. What animals' bites are worse than their barks? How to survive the most dangerous animal bites. When it comes to bites, size doesn't matter. Some tiny creatures can kill you with their toxic teeth, while other large animals could crush you with their powerful jaws. Which animal's mouth is a bacterial wonderland? How can one animal's venom kill you in 15 minutes? And which creature can snap you in half? Number 5. Humans. More than 700 bacterial species can live in a human mouth. If you get bitten by a human, there's a 10 to 15% chance that the bite will become infected. That percentage increases if your immune system is compromised, you have diabetes or vascular disease. And your attacker doesn't need to be a vampire or a zombie to cause damage. Although a human bite is only about 1,117 kilopascal, it can break skin and damage joints. Bite wounds are painful, they bleed, and the area around it will begin to swell. You may have also been exposed to any diseases your attacker has, such as hepatitis, HIV, or tetanus. Even if the wound doesn't look too bad, clean it immediately or pus could form. Don't wait to go to the doctor. An infection will rapidly spread if you don't get immediate medical care. Number 4. Brazilian wandering spider. Living in Central and South America, the Brazilian wandering spider is one of the most venomous spiders in the world. Unlike most spiders, they don't build webs to catch their prey. They actively hunt, ambush, and attack their prey, which is usually insects, reptiles, and mice. If you come across this spider and it raises its first 2 pairs of legs, back away. It is letting you know it feels threatened and it will attack you. If it bites you, you'll feel extreme pain. You will drool, sweat, and your skin will swell around the bite. You'll also have cramping, vertigo, and convulsions. You'll need to see a doctor immediately and get treated with antivenom and a tetanus shot. If you don't get help soon, you may die. Number 3. King Cobra. King cobras live in the rainforests of India, South China, and Southeast Asia. On average, they grow to a length of about 4 meters, and they can even stand up and look you in the eye. Although they try to avoid humans, this snake will attack you if it feels threatened. It will flare its hood and emit a hiss that sounds similar to a growling dog. If a king cobra bites you, get immediate help. This snake is extremely venomous and will inject a large amount of poison when it bites you. As little as 6 milliliters of cobra venom can kill 20 people. Don't apply ice to the wound. That will only cut off circulation and make the situation worse. And don't try to suck out the venom. Remember what we said about bacteria in the human mouth? You could infect the wound. You will suffer convulsions, vomiting, and respiratory failure. You have about 15 minutes to live. Keep the bitten limb as rigid as possible and keep it lower to your heart so the venom has to work against gravity to circulate. Go to the ER right away. Number 2. Saltwater Crocodile. The saltwater crocodile has the strongest bite force of any animal, with a power of 25,500 kilopascal. That's almost 23 times stronger than a human bite. They can grow to almost 7 meters long and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Although they usually prey on turtles, birds, and mammals, they will attack you if you invade their habitat. They can be very aggressive. Saltwater crocs hunt by hiding along the edge of a body of water. These lurkers lunge at any prey that approaches or enters the water. They can stay underwater and hold their breath for up to an hour. If a crocodile grabs you, try to gouge its eyes out with your fingers. The more you hurt it, the better the chances it will let you go. And if you get free, go to a hospital right away. You're going to need serious help. Number 1. Hippo. Even though they're herbivores, hippos kill about 500 people per year in Africa. That's more than any other wildlife on the continent. They weigh as much as 2,700 kilograms and have a bite force of 13,800 kilopascal. A hippo can crush your head with its bite and can even snap a canoe in half. It may trample you, drag you into a lake, or tip over your boat. Even if it doesn't bite off your head, you will have severe trauma. You could get a deep wound infection and may need an amputation. So if a hippo charges at you, run as fast as you can up a hill or tree. Just because these animals have the most dangerous bites, it doesn't mean that other creatures won't try to chomp on you. Even your pet cat might want a little taste. Do you know how deadly that could be? Find out here on How to Survive.